Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my eyebrows. As you can see, I don't have any eyebrows, just a speck of hair above my eyes. So let's see what we can do to these today. So guys, what I'm going to start off with is my Hair Woman eyebrow pencil. This is dark brown if I'm not wrong. So this is the brand that I normally use. So I'll be looking down in the mirror below. If you see me looking down, that's where I'm, putting my focus at. So what I start off is to line the shape of my eyebrows, This will help with me when it's time to fill in the eyebrows, to at least tell me where I want my eyebrows to be at, whether I want it to be low and arch, So I have to mark it out first. Like if you're sketching or drawing anything, you always want to know how it, stays before you actually draw the thing. So what I did before is put the eyebrow pencil right where my nose, the bridge of my nose is, to see if it's in line with my nose, So that's what I'm doing right here. I was normally bullied in school, guys. Aside from everything else, one of them was my eyebrows. I don't say I was bullied a lot, but one of the things that I was bullied with is my eyebrows, because I don't have any eyebrows. I was tend to be picked on a lot, saying like, why can't you use something to make your eyebrows stand out? Why do your eyebrow look like this? All sorts of things, the remarks they put referring to my my what would I call it, my no eyebrow looking face, I don't know. So I was a bit insecure when it comes to my eyebrows. So I find myself after leaving school trying out makeup. It's something I always wanted to try, because my mom would not allow me when I was younger, and that's understandable with moms not wanting their kids to use makeup until a certain age. And then after I got in love with it, I see that when I put on the eyebrows myself, it actually fits the shape of my face. And it's not because people bullied me while I really started it, it's because I actually it suits my face. It brings some features in my face, if that makes any sense. So I don't want to stray from the topic, guys. So what I do is just fill in the brows. This is an updated video, because if you go in my videos that I have, you'll see I did one. That's my first video that I ever did on YouTube. It's an eyebrow tutorial, and I just decided to do a new one, since it's 2019, and I did that one back in 2018. So yeah, we're good to go here. So the next thing that I'll be doing is using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. If you want, you can use other colors that is suitable with your skin tone. It's all up to you. I normally use a shade lighter than my skin, and I think this is way light, but it's I don't know, it does bring definition to my eyebrows, so I love it. I feel like I'm talking very fast just to be in sync with the video. So what I do is put it under my eyes. Guys, this thing dry fast, you have to work fast. That's what happened to me. At the end of the video, see some of the concealer still on the eyebrows, but that's totally fine. I blend it out after I finish recording. So I put it at the top. Some people don't put it at the top, and that's quite fine, but this is how I achieve my eyebrows. Especially this video would be good for a person that doesn't have any eyebrow whatsoever, like myself. I just have a little speck. If you even do have eyebrows, it still goes for you. I am not putting anyone in any bubble. So yes, guys, this is how it looks. I don't have the proper right angle brush, so this is why I have to use my eyeshadow brush. I think it's China made synthetic brush. Sorry guys, too much talking. I I don't like to do voiceovers, like the talk, man. Anyways, I take the brush and I brush and I blend. That's the secret right there. When I go out, I should say, sorry, I always get compliments for my eyebrows. That's the first thing that people notice on my face. Oh, your eyebrows look so nice. And I'm kind of weird when it comes to compliments. Is it me one? But I tell them thanks. That's the polite thing to do. I was in town recently with my mom and here in Jamaica, and I was buying some fruits from the sky. Well, my mom was buying some fruit from the sky, you know, and he was like, my girl, your eyebrow them pretty, you know. So basically, for those that are watching that's not familiar with our accent, he's just trying to basically say that my eyebrows looks good, you know. And then he was like something about God bless you with them. I think that's the word he used. I'm not sure, but I think that's what he was trying to say. And in my head I was like, does this guy know that it's not actually my eyebrows? It is, but not really born with it. But I just took the compliment and ran away with it. So I tell him thanks. You know, it's a constant thing for me. I get compliments all the time, like, how you do your eyebrows, it looks so good, or you getting so neat. So I'm sharing it with you guys, and if some of these people happen to stumble upon my eyebrows, especially the ladies, then that would be kudos to you. So yes guys, I'm just going back with my ear woman eyebrow pencil just to get it, you know, well neat. The thing is guys, when you're doing eyebrows, ensure that the front where the creases of your eyes lies, it doesn't look fuller, like it's not totally bright. You don't let it be light. That's the key, not to let the hand be like bright. So this is some type of, I don't know, it's some type of makeup brush. So I said, why not try this? Sometimes I like blend in any excess product, so that's why I use this. You can use any other brush, you know. So guys, I'm gonna leave this video here and, you know, stop with my voice over now. You have heard my voice too much already, so yeah. We have come to the end of the video guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if it's the first time you're seeing my face, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment. Until next time, bye.
We'll be back in the morning when the sun starts to rise.